Okay, I got the drive shafts that I needed for this guy. But I think the first thing I want to do is install the motor on the transmission first. I'm going to do that first. Get that installed and then the drive shafts and then the drive shafts onto the axles. Cool, let's do it. All right, and just like that, I've got the transmission in. I got the motor attached to the transmission and the motor and transmission in, which is awesome. Super excited to see that attached to the truck now, along with the drive shafts attached to the transmission, and they are attached to the front and rear axles. So very cool, very exciting. It is just exciting, super exciting, and awesome to see it at this point. Um, Man, how cool! This is just—it's like a work of art. I love how this is coming together. I just love how this is coming together. This is just too cool. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Look at that. Can't get any lower than that. Any lower center of gravity than that right there, man. That's cool. Oh my gosh, I love how this is turning out. But it is all put together as far as the chassis and transmission, motor, drive shafts, and axles. Next up will be to attach the ESC and receiver. Looks like I'm probably going to go right here on the body mount. Velcro or either Velcro or double back tape on the back of the front and back of the body mount here, and I'll probably put the battery on the back of the servo. That's my plans. We'll see how that goes. But man, it's just neat to see it at this point. How cool! I'll show you a closer look at this here in a moment. But man, just neat to see it coming together. This has just been a blast. This has been so much fun to put together, and I just love that it's all at this point. And let me give you a closer look at this. How cool. I love it. Okay, so here's a look at how everything is looking so far. I just love how this looks. This to me looks like a work of art. I love it. Man, I just got the motor and the transmission in. It is installed along with the drive shafts, and they're connected to the axles. And let's see, got the steering servo up front there. Longer shocks in the front. Man, I just love how this looks. So far, I think this is cool. This is going to be a lot of fun. Man. So next step will be to get the ESC and the receiver and a battery in there, and then we'll see how this works. And I can also get the wheels and tires together. But man, this is just looking good so far. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. How cool. Man, I love it. Like I said, it's like a work of art. Very cool. Okay, I decided to start working on the body, and while I'm letting paint dry, I can finish working on the chassis part of the truck. All right, cool.